Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a closer look at Truphone, found at https://www.truphone.com. Truphone offers a compelling service, providing eSIM technology for global connectivity. This means you can ditch the physical SIM cards and embrace a digital solution for managing multiple phone numbers and data plans across different countries, all within a single device. Their website showcases a sleek and modern design, making it easy to navigate and understand the features they offer. They cater to both individual users and businesses, highlighting the advantages of their flexible and scalable solutions. For individuals, the appeal lies in the simplicity of international travel, no more searching for local SIM cards or dealing with roaming charges. Business users can benefit from streamlined connectivity management for their employees, ensuring they stay connected wherever their work takes them. Truphone emphasizes the security and reliability of its eSIM technology, assuring users of a seamless and secure connection. The site offers clear explanations of how eSIM works, along with comprehensive support documentation and FAQs. They delve into the benefits of their platform, such as cost control features, the ability to manage multiple numbers, and the convenience of instant activation. Furthermore, Truphone outlines the compatible devices and operating systems, ensuring transparency and helping potential customers determine whether their device is eligible for their eSIM service. They also provide details on their coverage across various regions, giving users a clear understanding of where they can utilize the Truphone eSIM. Finally, Truphone showcases customer testimonials and success stories, offering social proof and building trust with prospective users. Their website represents a comprehensive resource for anyone interested in exploring the benefits of eSIM technology for global connectivity. They effectively communicate the value proposition of their service, emphasizing the ease of use, security, and flexibility it provides for both individuals and businesses.